You have to bring the seasoning down. That's it.
All right, garden friends. Where's your jacket? You took your jacket off?
Yeah.
All right, friends. So we just arrived at the farmer's market. And it is so many people out here. I'm so excited. This is our first time coming to this particular farmer's market. So hopefully we can find some good things. I'm really looking for strawberries because Layla Bug and Isaiah destroyed my strawberries and I don't get to get any. And I really want to can and make some strawberry jam. So my goal is strawberries today and maybe some fresh corn. We shall see. Tell me what you see. What are those? Those are tomatoes. Are we gonna grow something like that? Huh? They're nice. Let's see what else they have. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, they have some zucchini. Yes. It's purple broccoli too.
And green broccoli too.
Yeah. And they have some zucchini.
Potato.
Yeah.
I love a potato and onion. Onion. Who's mommy onion? I love a potato. There's a lot of fruit over here.
It is. Look how big those sweet potatoes are.
I know. Look.
Yes, those are cucumbers.
Look, a little one.
A little baby cucumber. And
Mom, this is beautiful.
it's okay.
Mom, look, celery.
No, those are actually radishes.
Rabbit.
Yeah, those are radishes. Is it nice?
Yeah? Strawberries today.
Yeah, we're gonna get some strawberries.
Mom, look.
Ooh. The cherry tomatoes.
Mom, look.
Yeah, those are peas. Sorry.
No, she's exploring. Good for her.
Those are peas.
Mom, look.
That's rhubarb.
You have some rabbits on?
No, I've never grown it. Oh, I'm sorry. I've never grown it before. Don't touch them. Only touch the ones we're gonna buy, okay? So we're gonna get some strawberries. Well, you don't want to touch them if you're not gonna buy them. All right. So I think we're gonna get some strawberries and some zucchini, okay?
Okay. Mom, why are we going around the circle? Why are we going around the circle?
We just explored to see what everything they had. And now we can pick out some things. Okay?
I need
Which strawberries are we gonna get?
those strawberries.
Hmm?
Those strawberries.
He's so pretty.
You guys want to
Here, you gonna hold them? Don't drop them, okay? All right. And some zucchini. Because I want some zucchini chips.
You look like so beautiful. Well, I can hold it in one hand.
Please don't. Hold it with 2 hands, just in case. Are you in line?
No, I'm here just thinking.
Okay.
That's a sweet picture.
Thank you. y'all, this is the coolest thing I think I've seen ever. Like, this is a hanging cherry tomato plant. Like, look at this. That is so cool. Yeah, baby. Yes, and look at all of the tomatoes that are on it. OMG. That is cool. Like, y'all, that is so cool. And I can't believe that it's growing in such a small pot. Like, look at all the tomatoes.
In each bag,
We what? All right, let's go. They're all one, baby. It's all the same. All right, guys, so we are back from the farmer's market. What'd you think of the farmer's market?
All the things.
You liked all the things. What was your favorite thing? Well, I think, well, we were successful. We got strawberries. We got 2 paints of strawberries, which I'm hoping to use to make some strawberry jelly. They were huge, y'all. Them strawberries were huge. I did ask her what the variety was, and she said like St. Charles or something like that. But like, look at them.
They're so big.
They are big, so. And they smell good. And they taste good.
What it tastes like?
What
it tastes like? Well, what it tastes like?
Like a good strawberry? That's a good strawberry. I'm never buying strawberries from the grocery store. Like, they don't taste like this. They do not taste like this.
My kids are at home and they might like them.
Daddy don't like strawberries. Anyway, I think, yeah, he doesn't. I think today was a successful trip to the farmer's market. I love to see how excited Layla was as we were walking throughout the market, and the best part was her recognizing all of the different fruits and vegetables. Like, it was very humbling for me, and I was very excited to see just the enthusiasm that she had. So just another reassurance that gardening is what we should be doing and how we should be spending our, yes baby.
My window is not wet.
Oh, okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you go to your farmer's market, and when you do go to your farmer's market, what are you looking for? All right, I went with a very I had a very pointed plan. I wanted strawberries because the kids just eat our strawberries so fast. So, but yes, we'll see you guys in the next video. All you got to do is put some. Bye, guys.